no, not you again.
No, you'll like this one this time, I promise. Okay, you ready? No? Nothing? How about this one? Just stop, 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 stop. Please stop. Please stop. I don't like this. Please stop. Do I even want to know? So I got this and this and ooh, I like this ribbony thing. And there's that, and then there's this and this thing, and this pretty red thing, and I got this other red thing for you too. Oh, I don't even. No, stop. Please go away. Please tell me this is the last one. Yes, it's the last one, but I think you'll really like this one. Okay, you ready for this? Click on my lovely little clone here if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, and click on me if you'd like to see the last video that I made. And what else should they do? They should give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite impression was, and comment your favorite way an animal flirts and tell me if I should do it in the future. Yeah, let's hope not. And I guess that's it, which means bye-bye!